Hello children, welcome to the e-learning class 8 Mathematics. By the way, do you like to play games? Of course, I do like. Let us start today's class with a number game. Are you ready to play? First, keep a number in your mind. Have you kept? Oh, Chotu has also come to play along with you. He is not telling me what number he has in his mind. You also don't tell me. Let's continue. Think that you have same amount of money with you. Now, borrow same amount of money from your friend. How much you have? Find the sum. Now, I will give you 70 rupees. How much it became? Find the total. Now, donate half of the money you have for charity. Find out how much you are left with. Now children, return the money you received from your friend. Now I will tell you how much money is left with you. It is rupees 35. Let's see how much money is left with our Chotu. Wow, even Chotu is left with rupees 35. How about you? Oh, you look so happy. That means even you are left with rupees 35. You must be curious also to know how I told you the money left with you. Want to know how? Let's see. Let the number in your mind be x. Add the money taken from your friend. X plus x becomes 2x. Now, I gave you rupees 70. Do you think I should always give rupees 70? Need not be. I can give any amount. So, let the money I gave you be y. Now, total amount 2x plus y. Money remaining after donating half of the total amount is equal to half of the money you have with you. That means half of 2x plus y. Half of 2x is equal to x and half of y is equal to plus y by 2. Now, return the money received from your friend. So, take away x from x plus y by 2. The remaining is y by 2. It is nothing but half of the money I gave you, isn't it? Half of 70 is how much? 35 was remaining. Therefore, the answer is always half of the number we give in this game. Children, you must have played many games of this kind with your brother, sister, friends, etc. Isn't it? But you are not knowing how to analyze it systematically, isn't it? In this class 8, you have a chapter which enables you or which helps you for the systematic study of a which enables you or which helps you for the systematic study of a such mathematical games or puzzles. Yes, you guessed it right. Today's lesson is playing with numbers. Children, today we are going to learn the advantages of playing with numbers. Writing given number in normal form and expanded or generalization form. Importance and advantages of using divisibility rules. Reason for rule of divisibility by 2 and the problems based on the same. Let us know the advantages of playing with numbers. Children, when you are playing number game, what did you feel? Yes, you felt very happy, curious and enjoyed too, isn't it? Therefore, playing with numbers gives us entertainment. When you are playing with number, you were just enjoying? No, you were also calculating in your mind addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, isn't it? So it gives exercise to your brain. When you keep on playing such games more and more, it develops the skill of creating and solving the simple problems. When you get all the above three, definitely builds confidence in you. When you have a confidence in you, you will start loving the subject mathematics. So it develops interest in learning mathematics. Look at this picture. How many pens are there? You are right, 3 pens are there. How many children are there? Very good, 4 children are there. How many bubbles are there or clouds are there? 7 clouds are there, isn't it? How did you find children? Yes, you are right. You counted 1, 2, 3. 3 pens are there. You counted 1, 2, 3. 3 pens are there, isn't it? What do you call this counting numbers as? Yes, these are all called as natural numbers. Now, this set of natural numbers is denoted by letter N is equal to flower bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 close the bracket. What are the numbers present in this set of natural numbers? Yes, you are right. It contains 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, and it continues. It's an infinite set. Writing these natural numbers in base 10 system is called normal form or usual form. Children, take a number 45. Mark the places, units and tenths. Can I write it as 40 plus 5? Yes. Now, based on the places, it can also be written as 4 is in tens place, therefore 10 into 4, and 5 is in units place, therefore plus 1 into 5. Further, it can be simplified as 10 into 4 plus 5. Now, take another number 76. Expand it. Yes, you are right. It can be written as 10 into 7 plus 6. This way of splitting the number and writing is called expanded form or generalized form of 2-digit numbers. Now, take a number AB. Oh, one child is already asking, ma'am, is AB is equal to A into B? No, child, here AB is just representing a 2-digit number and AB is not equal to A into B. Now, let us expand AB. Tens place you have A, therefore 10 into A, 10A, and units place you have B, 1 into B is equal to 1B. We can write AB is equal to 10A plus B. Children, do you think now the general form of 2-digit number must always be written as AB? No, not necessarily. It can also be written as BA. Expand it. You are right. BA is equal to 10B plus A. Let us take a 3-digit number. 458. Mark the places. Units, tens, hundreds. Expand it. Yes, children. Hundreds place you have 4. It is equal to 100 into 4. Tens place you have 5. It is equal to 10 into 5. And units place you have 8 plus 1 into 8, that is 8. I will give you one more number. Just expand. Very good. You are right. 236 is equal to 100 into 2 plus 10 into 3 plus 6. Look at this number ABC. Yes, you guessed it right. This is the general form of 3-digit number. And here also it is not equal to A into B into C. Let us expand it. Here you have A in the hundreds place. Therefore, this is equal to 100 into A is 100A, and B is in tens place. Therefore, it is equal to 10 into B plus 10B, and C is in units place. Therefore, 1 into C, so plus C. Here also we can write the general form of 3-digit number as BCA and CAB also. Children, try to expand them. Yes, you are right. It is equal to 100B plus 10C plus A. Similarly, CAB is equal to 100C plus 10A plus B. We call this as expanded or generalized form of 3-digit numbers. I'll give you one more number. Tell me how many digits it has. Got confused? It's okay. Mark the places. Yes, you have marked. Here you have A in units place, B in tens place, C in hundreds place, and the dots to the left of C indicates the digits in thousands, lakh, 10 lakhs places respectively. Same way it continues. Now count and tell me how many digits it has. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It continues, isn't it? So, you are right children, it has many digits. So, this is called as n digit number. Let us expand n digit number. Here, keep the dots to the left of C as it is, plus hundreds place you have C, 100C, tens place you have B, plus 10B, units place you have A plus A. This is called expanded or generalized form of n digit number. Class 8 children were given an activity. It's like this. Distribute the given 18 chocolates among your friends evenly, but see that no chocolates remain after distribution and no restriction for the number of people. Let us see how they have distributed. Child 1. Children, how many chocolates they have given for each child? Yes, they have given 1 chocolate for each child. For how many? So, the child has given for 18 friends. Now, second child. Yes, you are right. They have given 2 chocolates for 9 friends. Third child has given 3 chocolates for 6 friends. Look at the fourth child. Yes, you are right. It has given 6 chocolates for 3 friends. The next child has given 9 chocolates each for 2 of its friends. Now, the last child, it's too smart. This child has given all the chocolates to its best friend, isn't it? So, all the 18 chocolates for 1 child. Now, let us analyze the results of this activity in the form of tabular column. Observe carefully the number of evenly distributed chocolates, that is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, and the number of chocolates given for distribution, that is 18. Is there any relation between these two? Yes, you are right. These are the factors of 18. So, indirectly we have given to find the factors of 18. Children, do you think it is easy to find the factors of a bigger number by this method? No, it's too long, isn't it? So, is there any other method for finding the factors of 18? Yes, you are right. We can find the factors of 18 by the method of multiplication as well as division. Look at this numbers. Here you have 1 into 18 is equal to 18. 1 18s are 18. Here 1 and 18 are the factors of 18 and 18 is a multiple of 1 and 18. Similarly, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. So, here 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 are the factors of 18 and 18 is a multiple of those numbers. Similarly, in the method of division, here divide 18 by 1. 1 18s are 18. That means 18 is completely divisible by 1. Therefore, 1 is a factor of 18. 18 divided by 2. 2 9s are 18. Since 18 is completely divisible by 2, therefore 2 is also a factor of 18. And similarly, 18 divided by 3, 3 6 are 18. Therefore, 3 and 6 are the factors of 18. Now children, so we can find the factors of 18 by multiplication division method also. Now children, tell me, is 35 is divisible by 5? Yes, you are right. 5 sevens are 35. It is divisible by 5. Is 69 is divisible by 3? You are right. It is divisible because 3 23s are 69. Is 88 is divisible by 4? You are right. It is also divisible by 4 because 4 22s are 88. Now tell me, is 90,688 is divisible by 9? Oh, why are you taking so long? Are you dividing? Okay, find the answer. You are right children, it is not divisible by 9. You found the answer by the method of division, isn't it? Is there any easy method to check whether the given number is divisible or not? Yes, you are right. We can find it by using the divisibility tests or rule. Do you remember children, you have learnt it in class 6? What is this divisibility test? Divisibility test is a rule to check easily whether the given whole number is completely divisible by other without actual division. Now, the knowledge of divisibility rule helps in finding the multiples, factors, LCM, lowest common multiple, HCF, highest common factor, or GCD, which means greatest common divisor of numbers easily. Children, now tell me, is there any number or any whole number which is not completely divisible by 1? You are right. There is no number which is not divisible by 1. So, all integers are divisible by 1. So, there is no special rule for divisibility by 1. You have learned divisibility rules in class 6, isn't it? Now, let me see how much you remember. Now, identify the numbers which are divisible by 2. You are right children, 234 and 56 are divisible by 2. Identify the numbers which are divisible by 5. Yes, once again you are right, 20 and 125 are divisible by 5. Identify the numbers which are divisible by 10. You are absolutely right, 700 is divisible by 10. Now tell me, what is the common factor in the divisibility rule for 2, 5 and 10? Yes, you are right. Divisibility of 2, 5 and 10 depends on the digit in units place. Now give me divisibility rule for 2. Yes, you are right. Any number with last digit equal to 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is divisible by 2. Now children, observe these multiples of 2. What do you call these numbers as? Yes, you are right. These are also called as even numbers. Now, what do you call the numbers which doesn't have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the units digit? Yes, we call them as odd numbers. So, based on the divisibility by 2, the set of whole numbers is divided into two sets. One is even number, other one is odd numbers. Even numbers when divided by 2 gives the remainder 0. Odd numbers when divided by 2 gives the remainder 1. Now children, you know the divisibility rule for 2. Let us see how it works. For this, let's take an n-digit number CBA and expand it. CBA is equal to ... plus 100C plus 10B plus A. For this n-digit number to be divisible by 2, the terms in the expanded form must also be divisible by 2. So, look at this 10, 100, etc. These are all even numbers. Why? Yes, you are right. They have 0 in the units place. They are even numbers. So, they are all divisible by 2. Here 10, 100 and 1000, etc. These numbers are divisible by 2 because these are all even numbers. Therefore, we can say 10B, 100C and further numbers are divisible by 2. Now we are left with the last term A. If A is divisible by 2, then the whole number is divisible by 2. Therefore, to be divisible by 2, A must be a even number. Therefore, A can take the values 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Hence, the rule. Now, let us solve a problem based on the rule. If the division of n divided by 2 leaves the remainder of 1, what might be the ones digit of n? Children, let the number n be a n-digit number CBA. Now, it is given that n divided by 2 gives the remainder 1. So, since the divisibility of a given number by 2 depends on the number in the units place, that is A. Therefore, when we divide A by 2, it must give the remainder 1. So, if the remainder is 1, that means A must be a odd number. Therefore, the ones digit of a given number must be equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Children, let us recall what all we have learnt in this session. Enjoyment and applications of playing with numbers, writing 2, 3 and n-digit number in expanded or generalization form, importance and advantages of using divisibility rules, reason for rule of divisibility by 2 and the problems based on the same. Now, children, you have an activity, find yourself and enjoy. Look at the example and complete the given table. Observe the column number 4 and 6. Give your conclusion. Now, children, look at the example. Here you have a number 512. Sum of the digits of a given number. 5 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 8. Is it a multiple of 3? No, because it doesn't come in 3 ones a table. Now, divide the given number by 3. 3 ones are 3, 2 remain, bring 1 down. Now, 3 sevens are 21, therefore, 0 will remain, bring 2 down. 3 zeros are 0, therefore, the remainder is 2. Do you think The number is divisible by 3? No, the number is not divisible by 3. Similarly, complete the table and give the conclusion. Quiz time. Children, let us see how much you are learnt in this session. First question. Writing given number in base 10 system is known as options. Option A, special form. Option B, expanded form. Option C, normal form. Option D, generalized form. The correct answer is normal form. Question 2. The generalized form of 65 is, the options are option A 60 plus 5, option B 6 plus 5, option C 6 into 10 plus 5, option D 5 into 10 plus 6. Yes children, right answer is option C 6 into 10 plus 5. Question 3. General form of n digit number is, the options are option A, AB, option B, CAB, option C, ABCD, option D, ... CBA. The right answer is option D, ... CBA. Question 4. We can find the factors of a number by option A, multiplication, option B, division, option C, multiplication and division, option D, addition. Getting confused? The right answer is option C, multiplication and division. Question 5. The factor of every number is option A 0, option B 1, option C 10, option D 2. The right answer is 1, because 1 is a factor of every number. Sixth question. Which among the following number is divisible by 2? Option A 15, option B 29, option C 18 and option D 37. You are right children, the right answer is 18, because rest of the numbers are not the multiples of 2. Question 7. Identify the number which is not a multiple of 2. Option A 300, option B 2582, option C 1263, option D 996. The right answer is 1263, as this is not divisible by 2. Question 8. Which among the following is divisible by both 2 and 5? Option A 21, option B 30, option C 35, option D 36. The right answer is option B 30. Children, look at the number of correct answers you have given and you can evaluate yourself. Today's homework. Try these. Textbook, page number 2, question 1 and 2, page number 10, question 2. Children, complete the homework and get it corrected from your teacher. This class was presented by Srimati Shashireka B.S., trained graduate teacher, GHPS, Narsipura, Nelmangla Taluk, Bangalore Rural District. Hope you enjoyed the classes. Thank you.